Welcome to Hope Screen. If you want to delete all your Snapchat messages, I will have two solutions for you. First solution is of course go into your Snapchat application and go ahead and select chats over here down below. Now here on the chats, you could just simply select one of your chats. Now here, you could just simply select their profile at the top or their name. And now just simply select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. And you should be able to see here chat and notification settings. So tap on it. And now from here, you will have two options. You could either select delete chat over here, or you could just simply clear from chat feed. So pretty much that will take some time if you do that one by one. So if you want to delete the entire messages on multiple people, you could just simply go ahead and go to the home page, guys. And now select your profile on the top left corner of the screen. And now here, go to the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, of course, scroll down until you see over here account actions, and you will have here clear conversations. So if you don't have clear conversations as well, if you don't have a clear conversation over here, guys, you could just simply find clear data and should be able to see the clear conversation. Now here, just simply go to your name of the message that you want to delete and just simply tap the X icon. And from here, just simply tap on clear and it will delete everything. And you could just simply do the same process on your all messages. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.